Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to use multi-screen in Realme P4R. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.